Power your home with clean energy while lowering electricity bills and gaining reliable long-term performance every day. Best solar panels for home use can provide higher efficiency, better durability, and dependable energy generation, making them a smart investment for homeowners seeking sustainable power and greater energy savings throughout the year. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Eco-worthy 200-watt solar panel. The eco-worthy 200-watt solar panel is a reliable and beginner-friendly solar solution for people looking to power RVs, cabins, boats, trailers, or small off-grid systems. This kit includes two 100-watt monocrystalline panels, along with mounting brackets, solar cables, connectors, and a 30-amp charge controller, making installation much easier for first-time users. The panels deliver solid efficiency with up to 21.5% conversion performance under proper sunlight conditions, producing enough energy for daily charging and backup power needs. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and durable construction help the panels withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including heavy snow and strong winds. The IP65 rated junction box also adds dependable protection against dust and water exposure. One of the best features is the flexibility to connect the panels in series or parallel depending on your power setup. The pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play wiring simplify installation, reducing setup time significantly. Overall, this solar panel kit offers dependable performance, durability, and great value for off-grid energy users. Number 2. Callsun N-Type 16BB 400-watt solar panel. The Callsun N-Type 16BB 400-watt solar panel stands out as a high-efficiency solar solution designed for users who want maximum energy production in limited space. Built with advanced N-type solar cells and 16BB technology, this panel delivers impressive efficiency and better long-term reliability compared to many traditional solar panels. The bifacial design is a major advantage because it captures sunlight from both sides, increasing overall power generation by utilizing reflected and indirect light. This makes it especially effective in bright outdoor environments. Another useful feature is the twin-cell anti-shade technology, which allows one half of the panel to continue generating electricity even when partial shading occurs. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for Class B vans, RV rooftops, and smaller solar installations. The durable tempered glass, corrosion-resistant frame, and IP68 waterproof protection ensure reliable outdoor performance in different weather conditions. With a lifespan of up to 30 years and strong heat resistance, this panel offers long-term efficiency, durability, and dependable off-grid power generation for everyday energy needs.
Number 3. JJN Bifacial 2PCS 400-watt solar panel. The JJN Bifacial 2PCS 400-watt solar panel is an excellent option for users seeking powerful energy production and long-term durability for residential or off-grid applications. Its bifacial technology allows the panels to collect sunlight from both the front and rear sides, helping increase energy efficiency by up to 25% compared to conventional panels. The use of advanced 16BB N-type solar cells improves performance while reducing the impact of partial shading, which helps maintain stable power output throughout the day. These panels are built with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame that handles harsh weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy snow loads. The IP65 junction box and IP67 waterproof connectors provide extra protection for outdoor installations in different climates. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled mounting holes, making the panels suitable for rooftops, RVs, cabins, and marine systems. Another strong advantage is the impressive 30-year transferable power output warranty, giving buyers additional confidence in long-term performance. Overall, this package delivers dependable efficiency, durability, and excellent value for solar energy systems. Number 4. Renogy 1180-watt solar panel. The Renogy 1180-watt solar panel is a premium solar solution designed for users who need high power output and dependable long-term performance. Renogy combines advanced N-type solar cells with 16BB technology to improve efficiency, while minimizing energy loss caused by heat and shading. One of the biggest advantages of this panel is its bifacial design, which allows sunlight to be absorbed from both sides for increased energy generation. Depending on installation conditions, this feature can significantly improve overall system output. The durable black aluminum frame is engineered for harsh outdoor environments and easily handles strong winds, snow loads, and changing weather conditions. The IP68 waterproof junction box adds another layer of reliability for long-term outdoor use. These panels are especially suitable for residential solar systems, large off-grid setups, and backup power installations where consistent energy production is important. Renogy's reputation for quality and customer support also adds extra confidence for buyers investing in solar energy. Overall, this solar panel offers excellent efficiency, strong durability, and reliable clean energy performance for demanding applications and long-term savings.
Number 5. Jackery SolarSaga 200-watt portable solar panel. The Jackery SolarSaga 200-watt portable solar panel is a highly practical choice for campers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable portable solar power. Its bifacial design and advanced IBC technology help achieve impressive energy conversion efficiency while improving performance in low-light conditions. This means users can generate more power during cloudy weather or early morning sunlight compared to many traditional portable panels. The 200-watt output provides fast charging capability when paired with compatible Jackery power stations, making it useful for camping trips, emergency backup power, and outdoor work setups. The built-in USB-A and USB-C ports also make it convenient for directly charging smartphones, tablets, and smaller electronic devices. With IP68 water and dust resistance, the panel performs reliably in different outdoor environments, including rain and high temperatures. Overall, the SolarSaga 200-watt combines portability, fast charging, durability, and strong solar efficiency into an excellent portable energy solution for everyday outdoor use. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.